So stem and leaf plot is just a way for you to organize a bunch of data and get it from least to greatest real quickly. So what you want to do is you first want to identify the leaf. The leaf is going to be the very last digit in all of your numbers. So if we look here, my leaves are going to be the 7, the 0. Notice all of these are in the units place or the ones place, and I need them all to be in the same place. So if you have a real big variety of numbers, you're going to want to think very carefully about what place value you want, because they all have to be in the same place. These are all in the ones. Okay, the numbers that aren't circled make up the stem. So the stem, I'm going to draw a vertical line. The stem is on the left-hand side, and I want to go in order from least to greatest. And it looks like my smallest stem is going to be a 15, up to my biggest stem looks like to be a 19. So 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Okay, then what I want to do is I want to place all my leaves on here. So my very first number is 167. That means I put a 7 there. So you'll see here that I have a 1 and a 6, and then I put a 7 there. So this right here, this combination means 167. And then I keep on going, so I have 191, and then I have 190. Now you'll notice I have two numbers here. This does not mean 1,910. This means this is 191, and this is 190. Okay, so each leaf here represents its own number. Okay, then we get 154, 188, 174, 192, 166. So I just keep going through my list and placing them where they belong. 163, 172, 169, 167, 182, 184, 158, 160, and 176. And then I always need to have a key, so I'm going to say that this means, just pick one in there, means 167, because it could mean 16.7, I don't know until I have a key. Now the other thing is that sometimes we want an ordered stem and leaf plot, which means what we need to do is we need to rewrite this same exact thing. So I still have 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. I still have 167 means, or sorry, 16/7 means 167. I still have that. But now I have to take all of these numbers and put them in order if they're not. Now that one happens to be in order, so I can just write it down. But this one isn't in order, so I have to rearrange it. So I go 0, then a 1, 3, so 0, 1, 3, and I have a 6, 2 7s, and a 9. And I have to do 2, 4, and 6, 0, 4, 8, 8, and then 0, 1, and 2. And now it's ordered. So now I can do something like finding the median and find the mode real easily. I have two modes. I have 167 and I have 188. So this actually helps a lot. And if you turn it sideways, you can actually see that it would be a bar graph. So it kind of helps out in those ways too.